Sunday, the 15th of December, 2024. Exit 116, TA Express. We're going to take 301 to the left here. To the right takes us to Statesboro. We've been up through Statesboro. We stayed here one night at the TA. But we haven't been 301 south. This will be a new video. We're going to take it down through Jessup, I think. We may divert in Ludowici, but I don't know that for sure. We'll just have to see how things go. But it is 65 degrees here, clear, very nice. I just checked the Athens weather. It's 42, going to high 44, 42 tonight or 44 tonight. So that's why we've taken off south. The oil heater's not working. I'm tired of breathing those little diesel fumes from the space heater. We've got a couple of things we want to do down here. We'll probably leave out Thursday, maybe Wednesday, but probably Thursday, coming back. We're going to be checking on a possible rental situation. We may check on some different job situations for the winter. We'll check out a one-room rental. South into the sun, but we haven't got 301. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. Probably heading southwest, because we're almost heading into the sun. Let's see what El Compass says. Yep, south-southwest. I think we'll bear around and go more southeast here now, which will make for better video. I never put it together, Claxton, Georgia, and the Claxton fruitcakes until last time when I went through Claxton on the way back. And we are looking for a Chevrolet parts van, a Jeep Cherokee parts Jeep, four-wheel drive Chevrolet truck. We're finding stuff, but not at good prices in the condition that I need them in. I don't need something with 350,000 miles and all the parts are wore out. Evans County. I don't know a thing about Evans County. US 301. Let's say if we went back up 301, I think 301, or is it 341? It takes us up to that ferry site over to the Savannah River. We are even looking for a motorhome, a small motorhome at a good price. We'll be crossing that's up 54 miles. If we stay on 301, we will go south of Pinesville. I didn't really want to go through Pinesville and get bogged down in that traffic. It may not be that bad on Sunday afternoon, but I didn't want to go through there. So we can upload from the phone without having to download or, hook up the computers, download, edit, and upload. We're doing more and more of that. I'm having trouble with the Dell, my mainline Dell computer. So we haven't even used it in a couple of weeks or longer. Is going to add time to our drive, as we were running 70 to 75 on I-16 and we are running 55 now. But that's okay. Like I said, it's 2:30. We've got plenty of time. Nice U.S. Highway drive. Georgia, what Georgia road was this? Is this US 25 too, or Georgia 25? I think this must be US 25. We'll be south of Hinesville. We'll be going right through Ludowici. We may check out, we'll see how the sand is at Griffin Ridge Wildlife Management Area. Stuck. We've been stuck in the sand once. We don't want to do that again. And I've said it probably 100 times. I need to get a portable winch where I can hook it onto the front or the back. I just hadn't done it. You're looking at about 500, maybe somewhere in the range, 400 to 600 for the winch and another 100 for the mounting plate. Plus probably another 40 for wiring and connections. Power wires. But I just hadn't wanted to come off that wallet and put the money in it. Yeah, US 25, Georgia 73, US 301. Southeast instead of southwest. We'll be crossing over US 280, and then it looks like we'll be going due south, it looks like, until we make a southeasterly turn. Did we come back out this way the last time and come past this little river and stuff down here? I think we did. That little river is right down here on the right. I don't think we uploaded it though. Just turn in here and let's see how high the water is here. That we'll get out. We got out last time. Rocks River Park. Maxwell Park. A boat ramp even. We knew that from last time, but let's see, this will be a good one to paddle. Came out the other way last time. I guess we did just what we're doing now, except the reverse. Seems like we came up from Jessup, or from Townsend rather. We could spend the night down there in Ludowici at that campsite. Get some fish bait. It's $2.39. We come up on 280. We're going to be we'll go straight across, but we'll start making a left-hand or southeasterly turn instead of southwest. It's not going to be that big of a difference. We're still going to be heading into the sun, but it'll be more southerly than southwest. A lot of cars for sale. Who's going to buy all these cars? If y'all watched that video the other day, all the cars we went through up here in Norcross, or did I even upload that video? I don't even know if I uploaded that video. We've got to keep an eye out for US 301. I wonder if there's an Ingles in town. That wasn't Ingles. I'd like to see what kind of vegetables they have. Motels. Like I said before, 95 and 75, these roads here were main thoroughfares to, from north to south, getting back and forth to Florida. Ludowici over there was the speed trap capital of the world. Is this where we need to turn? I do not remember. We got one coming up over our left shoulder. We got a train. We haven't asked our girl directions. We're just looking on the Google map. Okay, yeah, this is the intersection. This is 280. We'll go straight across. And then this will take us almost due south, it looks like. This looks like a long train. Let's kind of turn the camera off. Okay, we are further from Jessup than I thought. It says we're a little over an hour, 53 miles, maybe an hour and 10 minutes. So I'm not sure how many minutes this is so far. We'll probably be turning this video off and starting another one. Glenville 15, Ludowici 37, Jessup 48.